What do you think will change in Nigeria that will make you deny a free visa?
What will change Nigeria
Yes, sir.
to what it is now?
Yes, sir.
The only thing that can change Nigeria that you'll be proud to say you are a Nigerian
Okay.
is good leadership.
Okay.
Our problem is just nothing. We have wonderful people. We have even the youth. Nigerians outside Nigeria, they are doing wonderfully well.
Okay.
And if Nigerians leaders could do the right thing, you can see. I was reading about a minister of a country. He doesn't have more than a car, but an even local government chairman, they have about 4 cars. I'm not talking about senators.
Okay.
I'm not talking about president. I'm not talking about what the quantity of money individual have is more than what even local government have,
Okay.
and they don't have conscience. What is happening now? People say, I was even going through, somebody was saying this is end time because what the Bible is saying that at the end time a lot of things are happening. As a result of the greed, if they do look at our road. I have a truck, but for any time that truck is on the road, I have to do a maintenance more than what the cost because bad roads.
Okay.
Not only roads, hospitals, school. I even to this year is even good year that no strike. Hospitals are on strike. Why? Doctors are asking for their allowances. Nigerian leaders the wrong way around. How much is a senator allowances? If they tell you, the allowances, not even salary, the allowances of a senator or assemblyman have, you faint.
Okay.
And if they have conscience, they will go. They will even. Nigeria today, we are workers. We are fighting for 18 naira maximum wages. Their own, dog takes, most of them take about 120 to feed their dogs. And you say they have conscience. So, gentlemen, what I'm telling you, if our leader, they have conscience,
Okay.
whether they have sold their conscience, I don't know.
Okay.
If they have their conscience and say that, they will do this Nigeria well. In fact, nobody will want to leave.
Okay.
Because even when you go there, you are second citizen. If you're in London, you are treated like a black. Even when those things are minimized, you go to South Africa, see what is happening, killing, and Nigeria is a pioneer that helped them to, become independence.
Yes.
We know what we fought, carried our jingles everywhere. But today, look at South Africa is better. Maybe I think we asked for independence. They just gave it to us, gave us wrong constitution, which we refuse to change ourselves. I think I've done justice to your question.
Okay, sir.
You-
Okay, sir. And second question now is what do you like about Yoruba culture, sir?
Yoruba culture is one of the major culture in Nigeria that they are dying just like every other culture is dying. It's a wonderful culture.
Okay.
Yoruba culture is such a culture that you know a lot of um, uh, a lot of other cultures should borrow, like their respect.
Okay.
If you see how a Yoruba, a small boy will respect elder ones,
Okay.
they'll kneel down, and that shows, and they carry it along, except those ones that are born and abroad. Some of them that live here, the moment they see you in, outside Nigeria, you see
Okay.
that culture, they still kneel down and greet.
Okay.
They have their greeting afternoon, they have their morning, they have their evening. So and their attire too is,
Okay.
you know.
It's okay.
So that is all about culture. Culture is that thing that make you realize who you are
Okay.
and will be proud of.
Okay. So is there anything you dislike about Yoruba culture, sir?
When it comes to culture,
Okay.
forget about what is happening now. What is happening is not culture. Yoruba culture is, the only thing is that when some of the festivals, you know, they still uh, dated those days. They still want to use their sacrifices.
Okay.
That is the only area when, apart from the sacrifice involved in when they want to do their cultures.
Okay.
It's wonderful.